Yeah, my name is Kwadwo Nkansah. You can call me to that broken and mega machine violence yelling, constantly Jackson and situation. Kawa million man. Weezy Empire to the world, Kwadwo Nkansah TV to the world, you know. We're here to entertain our fans, you know, our Ghanaians. If you love me, if you don't love me, I love you too. What I say? Boobi yede, Boobi yede, Boobi yede. What I say? You can't take fire, I can't take murder. That's okay. I doesn't care. What I say? If you insult me, don't insult me. I love you. What I say? I love you. Hello. 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 What I say? All right, man. Yo, man, what up, no? Weezy Empire TV subscribers, Kwadwo Nkansah TV subscribers, we are here to entertain our fans, you know. Either you like, either you don't like. I don't care. That's okay. I don't care. Yanka say who he? You who he? You who he? I say that's in Suno. That's what the balloons you say. You who he so day because Weezy Empire here. We are here to entertain. Ora ho and when in camp, pursue chinium, pursue almost like a crap as a historian. Weezy Empire TV and Kwadwo Nkansah TV. Subscribe, you know. Either you like me or you don't like me. Media, I like you, you know. Because Bob was young, one night I can't now or no tire, no more day, more than say. If you see any no independent town, what I say. Independent tower, do independent possible. Tell them I say, Pim, Domio, Pim, Etamio, Pim, Domio, what is it? Sanity, because baby, you know, one of my seven, wait day. You know, but in the past, I'm by Beckham, also make sure someone abano. And ya dear, I had the bunny, you know. Timon bamboo for mommy, dear, you know, because we are one family, we are all Ghanaians. Ye are Ghanaians here, and ye are Ghanaians here, what I say. But of course, you be, you know, Weezy Empire TV. I am first one, you know, I feel Mr. Ghana for, you know, Weezy Empire TV, you know, say near the Boga Kwaba, near the bar. Weezy Empire TV, I am my fans everywhere. I do 2 more pen and say, Papa, UTV. That's why I go for company. I say, stolen effort, quality manager. And you know, Tuesday, I want to tell. Tuesday, and I'm sure I say you bag a quab and 1 hour follow bag a quab or Weezy Empire TV, you know. Yeah, they call UTV. Being Tuesday, and you the same time also na police academy one number here and also call UTV United Television, you know. I feel other ones and also visible call Adam TV, you know. Hello everybody, please. Me fans me domo. I miss a higher one or save you and you're living fans and qua. Edia Mina Funny Face fans were Kokumano fans were Stumble fans were Shatole fans were Take One Family Patapizi fans were you know Patapizi congratulations you know say a birthday now wife at my atoka amount Fabra Ghana betchere kakra what I say we are waiting for you know God bless you and God bless white woman love you know hey let me show you Patapizi God bless you know I feel Mr. Mo subscribe to Weezy Empire TV and Kwadwo Nkansah TV and follow me everywhere, you know. I love everybody, please. I will never insult my fans, you know. Please. I'm faced with her. The one team person as well. International.
Yeah, Weezy Empire TV. You did be at the mall.
Come in here.
The whole Ghana.
From Malaysia.
From the Paris.
What I say? What being?
Nanka.
Come in here. Wonder win this card. I just want. Card I just one pet.
2 for no.
2 for no.
We are controlling. We are controlling. Umpo. We are still controlling.
What I say? Ultimately, so I remember about one TV. This year, me find you by. And you know, we na media ba. Other one in the empire. In the next, Ekobe middle of this year, na media ba. For now, we jama, you didn't hand them kaka. A real warm up. Abba train the next one. Abba, it's Mr. Mo. Mufanyasa. Other you like, other a war 8 when you're doing the grandpa. Yabo. What I said, I don't know what you know, sir. What I said, Mufanyasa. I want him for a massy. At Metimasi. You want Metimasi. A lumber cool at Metim, a massy, no born my massy. One hour can the pa. Minister, and National Skits Minister. Hospital, Mama, so and that's where I'm asking to know that they are meant to know. If I need a crack, of course, I say, Yabaji and him find Yasaka, mammy. What I say, please, memory matter. Maybe I got some way. What I say, you're who we are here to entertain, because you be reason and say. Your fancy nebeje, your best kakra, Kwadwo Kunipa, pressure Kunipa, or Rose Kunipa. What I say? Subscribe Weezy Empire TV and Kwadwo Nkansah TV, you know, and follow the Baga Kwaba. UTV swa. Tuesday we are reaching Wednesday now. Near the YouTube Amamoso na the one team TV so no also have free. Nyakopon show bia. God bless you. Today is Sunday, first Sunday in the March. God bless everybody. God bless my fans. God bless you if you're my fans. You know my fans. God bless you. Continue to bless you and give you long life. You know. I love everybody. Great International School. And couple show yeah. It's you know. Into the last one even chain as we jama. Me na pata per to Quentino. Me na me jama na mama. Ti jama no me so no nti oba pe mejai. Esi wo to Quentina me jama na mama nti no oba na me de jam kwai. You can't sing fire, you can't sing fire, you can't sing madness. That's okay. I doesn't care, you know. I love everybody. God bless all my fans. Weezy Empire TV, Nyankopon Shirobia. Kwadwo Nkansah Nyankopon Shirobia. Medobia. Oh, anyame. Kwa. Oh, found the Emai Ekume. Oh, anyame.